Hello guys, hi guys, welcome to another video like this. So please like, comment, smash, subscribe, let's get into the video. So hi guys, welcome to another video like this. Please the like button, smash the subscribe button, let's get into the video. Yeah, it's been so long since I have uploaded a video. Sorry for that. And now after a long time we are gonna see a video. The accessories we have done on this car. This is a 2018 Swift ZXi petrol automatic. Yeah, let's get it. First let's see what in exterior. First we have changed the number plate in this. Old number plate was a normal number plate with just a normal sticker in it which started peeling off, so we changed the number plate. This is not a sticker, this is a proper number plate, and this we changed probably almost a month ago. Then sorry for the dust in the car because it's under 3 and this car is going out regularly, so there's this dust. And we have done the black roof. I'll show you from here. Black roof, and we have blacked on the side mirror also. And this side all we have blacked on the both side mirrors, and we have blacked on the roof. That's all in here. Let's go to the side. When you come to side, you see we have done sun film. Yeah, we have applied sun film. Car tint, window tint. You see it's so dark, but it's not that dark due to this wall. It's free. See from here, you can see inside. And this is a tint which is approved by the government, and this is a legal tint. So there's no problem. In camera, it looks dark, and you can see inside when you come here. That's the side. We didn't put a windshield here, and tint means for a price that covers 4 glasses plus 1 back glass. The front will not cover. We should put windshield separately, which is a front tint. We didn't put that. That's it for the side. Actually, I already told you we have blacked on the mirror. Just wrapped it like this. Sorry for the dust again. And again, the number plate in the rear. We thought of blacking out the Swift logo. We didn't get the black Swift logo, so we didn't do. Again, black tint. Again, sorry, I mean rear tint applied in this. So let's go inside and see the accessories. And guys, when you usually unlock your car, the lights will blink and you will get two beep sound for unlock and 1 beep sound for a lock. But I have turned off it. In next video I will be showing you how to turn off it. You see, so you don't hear any sound. Next video I will show you. And they have added welcome light. When you unlock the car, this light turns on. You see blue light. This is a one color one. The color will not change. Oh my god, it's so hot. Sorry guys if any sound comes. I didn't turn on the engine. I'm just turning on the ignition. I'm just in that air only, so sorry for that. Yeah, inside I will show you. Yeah, we have done welcome light. I think you can see the light. Yeah. There are 3 lights. You see, 2 here and 1 there. Same here. 3 pieces of lights. Blue light because we had an option of red, green, and blue. But we didn't choose red because it was too bright. This was neat and it looked superb in night. I will just put a photo in the screen if possible, if I have that photo. And that's it. When you close the door, it turns off automatically. And you have we have done a normal, just a look one. Other than that, in interior we didn't do anything major. We planned of putting a infotainment system, touchscreen infotainment system, but we didn't do it because when we didn't do it. In future we may do. And while we are getting this car, this is as I told you guys, this is a Swift 2018 automatic petrol. Yeah, it's a 1.2 liter automatic petrol engine. In that we don't, we got the automatic while we are getting the, in 28 now automatic was not on peak. After 2019 only automatic started to grow a lot. Now automatic is so far automatic, many are preferring automatic nowadays. So in this automatic, when we are seeing the car, we had two options, one i20 and one Swift. In i20 also the top two models are Asta and Asta own Hyundai. In i20 also Asta and Asta is there. In that for automatic Asta was the top end, for manual only we get the Asta O available. Same is the case with this car. ZXi and ZXi Plus is the top model, but ZXi is the top model for the automatic. We don't get ZXi Plus in automatic, we just get it in manual. Nowadays we are able to get it. Things have changed. The automatic many are preferring automatic, so obviously things have changed. But we are getting this car. ZXi was the top model and this is a ZXi variant. The differences between ZXi and ZXi Plus when we are getting the car was the touchscreen and the dual tone alloy wheels outside. For us, plain silver alloy wheel. We have a black alloy wheel, then LED projector headlamps. If I am not wrong, I'm not sure about this, automatic wipers, if I'm not wrong. Not sure about that, guys. And in next video I will be showing you how to turn off the lock and unlock zone, because it's a bit complicated. We can do it from key. In Hyundai we can do it from key, but in this we should do it in the instrument cluster. I will show it in the next video. And till now I will told the accessory which we did outside in a normal accessory shop. Now I will tell you what all accessories we did in showroom itself when we are getting the car around almost 3 years back, 2018 September, when we are getting this car. What accessory we did in showroom, I will just show you. And we did a reverse camera. You don't think this is not a full reverse camera, and this reverse camera costed 10,000, and you'll just see how much how this camera costed rupees 10,000, and see the clarity and the size. It will be so good, ultimate. That's it. This is a very small camera. I think this parking, I think this is, if you're getting this car, don't go for this. This is purely waste of 10,000. You can go for a normal accessory shop and get the third party one, which is more value for money. See, it's, yeah, from here you can see a rear, okay, but at least you don't know the point of this size and clarity also. Now it's okay, it's manageable, but in night times it's okay. You can see the every dust possible outside. And I think that screen is much bigger. That costed around 5,000. We didn't go for that. That screen, they will put a small TV like that, right? I'm not sure about that, but if you are planning to get this like this, go for a third party one, which is much. I think we also saw one which have auto dimming inside rear view mirror, and this has half of it, like that. So that was a good option, I think. So no, there were two more accessories. This seat cover we added while getting the car, and sorry for the dust in the floor. The mat, this mat also we added while getting this car, and I will go outside and show you guys the accessory with what we did while getting the car. Okay, let's go. Guys, as I told you, now I will show the accessory which we did while getting the car itself in the showroom itself. This badging, this petrol badging. There's a silver one, metal one, and there's a rear spoiler. And this is the rear spoiler. Actually, without the rear spoiler, the car doesn't look good from the back. See the rear spoiler. I'll show you. See, it looks so good with the rear spoiler. We didn't do any other ads. That's it for this video. We didn't do any other accessories. If I'm not wrong, or else if I forgot anything, I'll tell you in the next upcoming videos, because I'm not sure. That's it, I think, if I'm not wrong. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please the like button, smash the subscribe button, and meet in the next video.